Now we have our two topics with the subtopics, and I move them this way in order to make a better layout. Then I go here on the slide list and I select the first topic. I double click on the rectangle and I write the question why, all capital letters. I align it centered. I move it, I resize it, and I write it in bold. Then I go to the second rectangle where I can add some more text, but since I don't need it, I delete it. I'm going to add a picture here, a picture I'm going to take from Google. I open a new tab here. I type search for why, a simple question, and then going on Google Images, I choose the first one. This is the image I'd like to use here. Right click with my mouse, copy image. I go back to my topic, I select the circle, and then I can't use a right click, but I need to use a Command V or Control V. Oh yes, here we have a problem. When I select some pictures from Google Images, there can be this kind of problem. When I go and paste the picture on my presentation, it happens that I paste the link. I can't get the picture. There is a solution to this problem. Let me show you what the solution is. I delete this rectangle, I go back to my search, and then I select visualize image here, and then here I use the same procedure. Copy image, I go back to my presentation, I select the topic, I press Ctrl V or Command V, and I paste the picture. So remember, when this happens, I mean when you copy a picture on Google and you paste it, but it appears a link, you need to go to the source, so directly to the picture, to copy the picture directly from the place where the picture is, and then you paste it on your subtopic. Of course, we resize the picture in order to make it bigger and more meaningful. And then we go to insert some more content in the subtopics here. To go to the subtopics, I can choose double click to edit, or I can go here, left side of the screen, where the subtopic list is placed, and then I select number 1. Okay, so here we can write intuitive, all capital letters. I line it centered. I resize it. Doesn't matter if the rectangle goes out of the circle. I can select the bold, and then here we follow the same procedure as in the topic. So I cancel the text and I look for a picture corresponding to this word, intuitive. Intuitive, yes. And here we find something interesting. Yes, I like this one. This one is a picture with a quotation, with a quote. And then I copy the image and I paste it on my presentation. I resize the picture, and then I repeat the same thing for the second subtopic. I double click to edit the title. I write creative, centered, resizing the rectangle and the size, choosing bold, deleting the text, and then looking for a picture corresponding to creative. And there is a nice picture here I'd like to use if I find it. Yeah, here it is. Right click, copy, and paste, and then we have the corresponding picture. Good. Now let's go back and let's have a view. Let's have a look at this first topic. Let's go on with the second topic. We can select the topic here on the left side of the screen, or we can go directly here, and with double click we select the topic. Now here we write how to add dots, dots, dots. We center the text, we resize the rectangle, we place it, and then we add some text here. We add content. So you know that by default you have a left side alignment. We rotate the content word and then we move it. Then we go on and insert some new text here. We write animation. Always center, always adjusting and resizing and rotating and placing the text the way you like. Of course you can change the character, so you can use, for example, something more interesting like this. Oh no, this is too much because we need to resize the text. We can use, for example, this one. Let's see how it comes out, please. Yeah, it's okay. You can choose this one. Good. And then we go to the subtopics. Double click here, or you can use this side as well. And then here we write the word content, because it is about content in this subtopic. And then we write some more words, keywords, like, for example, text. We don't need to center the words. Okay, we can insert another word, and then we write video. Okay, like this. Of course, you can also use text sizes here, different text sizes here, okay, just to create a kind of visual effect. Okay, and then another one like pictures. Okay, and then you see the effect, small, big, like this kind of spatial effect. Good. Now to emphasize the title, we can choose the bold very good. And now we move to the second topic, subtopic, sorry. We can go through here, and then animation is the second subtopic. Rewrite animation, resize, choose, oh sorry, like this, the bold character, great. And then we start adding the names of animations. Fade in, we can rotate. Okay. Oh, I can also do this way. I can copy the text and I can paste it and modify the writing. So fade in, fade out. It's faster this way. Then I can rotate it, of course. Fade in, fade out, or zoom in. I can place it like this. Zoom in. I can resize the rectangle so that it is everything on one line, and then zoom in. I can zoom out, sorry, but type zoom in and zoom out like this and like this. Okay, and then zoom area, the last one. Zoom area. Good. We go back to the overview, and here is our two topics together with our subtopics.